How y'all doing? It's so good to be back for the third year of Lyrics and Lyre. Thank you so much, City of Roswell, for rocking with me. I'd love to introduce you to Tasia Veal on bass, Sherrod Virtuoso on guitar, Carrie Durham on violin, and putting the lyre in Lyrics and Lyre, we've got Tulani on the harp. This evening is all about love, ain't it? Y'all in love? In love with yourself, in love with somebody else, in love with community? I am. So this first poem we're gonna do is the shortest love story I've ever written. In real life, it lasted about 90 days, but it was where I learned the most valuable lesson about love. It's when to stay, but also when to let go.